We just got the final production sample of the new backpack. Coming in April, let's run through some of the features and benefits of this thing. You've got fully adjustable load lifters, so if you pack this thing heavy, you can move that load up or down on your shoulders. You've got ergonomic shoulder straps here with that nice curve. You've got this airflow mesh paneling and this crosshatch here, which allows for airflow. And then a cool hidden feature here is, you see this swoop here, it's actually a pass-through, and there's a Velcro closure here. And that is so you can pass this down on your luggage, just like this. Moving around to the side, you have pull tabs on both sides, so it's easy to close or open the bag when there's tension. Then you have these water bottle pockets. You have a huge gusset for each pocket, so it'll fit up to a large Nalgene. But what's also cool is inside these are these elastic straps on both sides. That's for those of you that commute or photographers. If you want to slide an umbrella or a monopod or a small tripod or something into this pocket, but you don't want it loose, you can slide it back past this elastic band and it keeps it nice and tight against the pack. Moving around to the front of the bag, you have this main top compartment here that's the whole bag. Then this upper section with organization that we'll go into next. Then you have this smaller drop pocket here on the front, and then this lower drop pocket here on the bottom. And if you can't tell, the bottom is heavily padded, as you can see here, and it's nice and flat. So for those of you that like to set your pack down, but it falls over sometimes, this pack won't do that. Nice and flat. So when you set it down, it stays standing up. Going into the main compartment, you can see it is quite spacious. Overall pack capacity is going to be somewhere between 18 and 22 liters. You have this first padded section, and yes, it is padded. First padded section here for tablets or smaller PCs or paperwork, magazines, whatever you want to keep separate from the rest of the contents inside. And then you have this strapped larger pocket that is also padded both on the sides and on the bottom for your laptop. Now let's go into this top compartment. Once you fold that flap up, you have another secure storage compartment here on the front of the pack. And then on the inside, you have organization for chargers, pens, pencils, stylus, whatever it may be. You have a lanyard hook here, so you can clip your keys here and then tuck them in securely. Or if you want even more security, let's say you're traveling abroad, wallet, passport, things of that nature, you can put it in this additional zippered pocket here that's quite spacious. That way it's behind this layer of protection with a zipper closure and behind this flap that is also zippered. And to round it all out, you have this zippered compartment on the upper portion of the pack that goes from here to here. And then you have this other lower portion. These are great for headphones, snacks, quick access items you might need on your travel or every day. So there's your quick rundown of the up and coming Origin backpack. Again, it's going to be 18 to 22 liters. As with everything we do here at Origin, it's 100% made in America, no compromise.